Today, we explore a captivating architectural work located deep within the natural landscapes of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. Surrounded by lush greenery, this home embodies a dialogue between modern design and the raw, untouched forest. Its purpose is not to dominate nature, but to harmonize with it, creating a calm sanctuary rooted in simplicity and respect for the land. This design was envisioned as a balance between two contrasting yet complementary worlds: the dense tropical forest at the front and the Caribbean garden at the back. By situating the structure as a bridge between these two zones, the home becomes both a divider and a connector. The architects carefully considered local vegetation, allowing nature to flow naturally into the site, ensuring the house belongs not just to its residents but also to its environment. Raw concrete, wood, and expansive glass surfaces define the material palette, creating an atmosphere that is simultaneously robust and serene. The solidity of concrete provides shelter, while wood adds warmth, and glass opens the interiors to natural light and endless views. These contrasts generate a poetic rhythm, solid yet open, protective yet inviting, offering residents an experience that evolves throughout the day. Inside, the spaces are designed to flow seamlessly with the outdoors. Generous openings invite natural breezes, reducing the reliance on artificial cooling, while carefully placed walls provide privacy without compromising openness. Every room feels connected to the surrounding garden, creating a living experience where daily activities, whether dining, resting, or gathering, are accompanied by the presence of nature's textures, scents, and sounds. This home demonstrates that architecture is more than shelter. It is a thoughtful response to place. By embracing the forest and garden, by blending raw strength with natural softness, It becomes a refuge where design and landscape exist as one. At Gubbock Design, we continue to be inspired by spaces like this, where modern living embraces the timeless beauty of nature.